All set, ready to race. Gates open, that up and racing. 6A, My Jopeng draws for your lead. Running on the outside, Thunderbird Ferrari 1 winning BD's racing in fourth. Down in fifth is entry number 6. So it's you, Touch of Gold. Mr. Xavier Towan, it's in between runners as they race towards the last 800. We have My Jopeng Ferrari 1 is by the Real Thunderbird winning bid. So it's you racing in fifth. Then comes Touch of Gold as they race at the last 600. Ferrari 1, My Jopeng winning bid is on the outside. Thunderbird then closing it is. So it's you as they race at the last 450. Winning bid running on the outside. Ferrari 1, My Jopeng. So it's you moving up on the outside as they swing for home. Winning bid running at the center. Running by the Real Ferrari 1. So it's you moving up on the outside. So it's you running on the outside. In between runners, winning bid Ferrari 1 by the Real. So it's you winning bid Ferrari 1 is by the Real. So it's you winning bid Ferrari 1. And finally, so it's you winning bid Ferrari 1, 6A My Jopeng. Then comes number 7 Thunderbird, Touch of Gold, Mr. Xavier, and Towanit.